Calls to support what's being called the Just Cause bill are louder than ever. If passed, this bill would protect tenants from being evicted from their homes for no reason.
Someone like me, I have no eviction protection. Where am I supposed to go? And this can happen to any one of us that are renters here in the state of Connecticut. 2, 3, 4.
Tenants are calling on the House leadership to bring House Bill 6889 to a vote. Connecticut's Just Cause law requires landlords to provide justification in order to evict tenants over the age of 62 or tenants with disabilities. Other renters don't have that protection, which is why people want the law expanded to include all renters.
I don't understand how this is legal.
Fox 61 spoke with Josephina Cruz last week after she says she was given an eviction notice for no reason. Wednesday afternoon, she was back at the state capitol speaking up.
To me, this is very important. I could be homeless at the end of this month. I really hope that they pass this bill, because to get a letter after you've been paying your rent, you've been doing everything right, you haven't been causing any problems for any other people in your area or your neighborhood, and just to get a letter that you have to leave, it just doesn't make sense.
Others like Fable Bolry showed up Wednesday as well to represent marginalized groups.
For trans persons such as myself, a landlord can evict me based on discriminatory reasons and just say it's a no-cause eviction.
Organizers say they don't understand why it's taking so long for the bill to be expanded and passed. And the hope is it gets addressed before the General Assembly adjourns in a couple weeks.
More people are housing cost burdened in 2025 than they were in the 1990s. And just how shameful that is for that to be the direction that our state is moving in. And yet, for the lack of urgency for so many in that building who are letting another legislative session go by without taking really meaningful action on this issue.
Luke Melanakos Harrison, an organizer with Connecticut Tenants Union, says without this bill, more people could end up unhoused in our state. The last day of the legislative session is June 4th. In Hartford, Kate Pattyfoot, Fox 61.